Hey guys, I wanted to show you a quick recipe. This is what is left of it. Quick recipe. This is whole wheat saltfish fritters. So I used the whole wheat flour, added the saltfish or codfish as you guys would call it, um, some salt and black pepper, and mix it to this paste. This is it on the fire. So I just wanted to give you guys this quick recipe. If you're interested in seeing it made from scratch, you can let me know. But so this is what it looks like after frying them. Looks somewhat like chicken, huh? Yeah. So that's the whole wheat codfish fritters or saltfish fritters. As you know, saltfish is a part of the Jamaican national dish, which is ackee and saltfish, and it's very versatile. You can use it to make stew peas. You can use it to fry fritters. You can use it in ackee and um, saltfish and baked beans, a whole lot of things. So there we are. So you just turn them on. You turn them about 4 times on each side. Make sure they're golden brown. They'll have that brown color because on its whole wheat flour. So what I did was add some oil to the pot and drop my fritters in. So I'll go ahead and drop one for you guys so you can see. Oh, more than one. And there's a saltfish. You can see right there. Finished. So here's a look at them again. Stop that now. So there you are, guys. I'll stop this video now. So that's your whole wheat saltfish fritters. And another look at how it looks when it's finished. Nice golden and brown. Okay, bye.